Are you looking for the best fight sticks? In this video we will look at some of the best fight sticks. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Mayflash Fight Stick. Mayflash company focuses directly on R&D for the development of all the video game accessories they make. Fight sticks are also in that list. They are believed to provide high customer satisfaction with their quality gaming tools. Talking exclusively about their F500 model, this fight stick is compatible with any of your gaming platforms that include PlayStation 3 and 4, Xbox One, Xbox 360, Neo Geo Mini, Android platforms, smartphone. You can use it even with your PC. Most of us like to play games with high background gaming sound as it gives the real feel of gaming. Personally speaking, I like this type of gaming very much. So, if you are also the same person, then F500 has headset output that directly delivers the sound to you using any headset. Don't like music? You can mute it also using the mute mic option on the panel. To further know who is your competitor or if you want to pressurize your opponent in a verbal battle, then this fight stick gives you the option of in-match chat also. But this feature is supported only in PS4, Xbox One, and Xbox 360. What PC gamers find interesting in this is it supports both input and input. It will not be wrong to say that these inputs are heart and soul of PC gamers. You can also change its X/Y analog axis and D-pad inputs. To give you real gaming experience, this fight stick supports vibration mode. F500 carries durable built joystick that easily fits your every customization. If you have also used Sanwa stick model TP8YT, then you will find no difference in both of them. It carries 8 push buttons fixed swiftly on the acrylic panel. They are easy to press and are of the same size as Sanwa button model OBSF24. What impressed us most in this is its replaceable acrylic panel. You can easily buy it from Amazon by just typing Mayflash F500 top clear acrylic panel. It has got a USB port so that you can easily connect it with your gaming platform using a USB cable. But for best results, you should use certified USB cables so that no lag occurs, especially if you are using Xbox or PlayStation gaming platform. However, you get a 3M USB cable with this. Also, there is a cabinet which provides you to store this cable easily without any chaos. Number 2. 8BitDo Fight Stick. 8BitDo is a premier third-party video game hardware company that focuses mainly on retro-themed game controllers and produces high-quality game controllers at economical price ranges. This arcade stick from 8BitDo is featured a joystick made for PC and Switch that offers quick and accurate moves to defeat the opponent quickly. Thus, it is an ideal option for both beginners and pro arcade players with its excellent features. Compatible with Nintendo Switch, Windows, Steam, and Raspberry Pi. It has got beveled edges with a slim body design, having enough space between the joystick and buttons that reduce input time for quick and accurate moves. With its enough clearance between the hands to control the stick and provide you with exceptional wrist comfort. Its ultimate software offers the best control of each piece/button on the arcade stick. It lets you customize button mapping and produce macros for macro buttons, P1/P2. While its dynamic button layout will allow you to change between PC, X input, mode and switch mode quickly and easily for its visually layout. You can connect this arcade stick in any of 3 ways: Bluetooth, 2.4G, and wired USB-C. However, the machine has a hidden compartment to store this 2.4G receiver safely. This stick has a universal joystick mounting plate that makes it ultra-moddable to swap out 24mm per 30mm. Furthermore, it supports Sanwa JLW Saimitsu/Sanwa JLF/LS33, 56, 55, and 58 arcade sticks. It is ultra-moddable that supports Sanwa and LS arcade sticks. Ultimate software to create macros and customize button mapping. 2 dedicated macro buttons, P1 and P2. Number 3. Qanba Drone Fight Stick. The next fight stick in our list is Qanba Drone Fight Stick. If you are looking for a stick that is not much in features and gives you only gaming experience, then it is the right choice for you. This makes it more affordable also. Users have found it as an option which has easy portability. The features that are missing from this stick is you don't get touchpad with it, and that is totally justified because of its low price. This fight stick is compatible with your PlayStation 3 and 4 and any PC. The base of your stick is small and little narrow. but still has enough space for you to rest your hands and play comfortably. So, if you are kind of gamer who requires a lot of panel area for placing his hands, then this might be not the best buy for you, and you can look for other alternatives we have provided in our list. To rest your wrist, it has got sloped edges that make this comfortable for you. In all, the design of your stick is attractive and doesn't feature fancy LED which distracts you from gaming. Having conventional buttons layout, your fight stick also features 7 more buttons along with 2 extra switches. The buttons are well built and quick to respond, however various user reviews suggest that joystick is a bit loose in fitting and may not last for longer. The thing to cherish here is being so less in price. You also get modding function with the stick and change configuration of your joystick and buttons easily. So if you are a noob who has just started her hand at fight sticks, you won't regret it buying later. Number 4. Mad Catz Fight Stick. If you are willing to pay and looking for a high-end fight stick without any features missing, then we will recommend you to consider Mad Catz TS Plus Fight Stick. You can attach this fight stick with the gaming stations like PlayStation 3 and 4. This fight stick has been solely developed for gamers like you who are engaged in competitive gaming. Easy to use, this fight stick gives you fantastic gaming experience if you master all its features, which is not that difficult as per the reviews we read. Your fight stick carries 8 buttons and a joystick, which is the parts of Sanwa Denshi. Well, I don't need to introduce you about Sanwa Denshi if you are a true gamer. These quick response buttons give TES Plus users like you to have an added advantage of quick moves against your competitor. With its touchpad functionality, you can play any of the PlayStation 4 games using this fight stick. Having 3-way button, this fight stick enables its joystick to perform the need of an analog stick. You don't need a D-pad either. You just need to connect your fight stick to your gaming station using its 9.8-foot USB cable. The cable is good that there is no lag while you are playing. Talking about the durability of your stick, it is made of metal, plastics, glasses, and rubber that gives it superior life over other fight sticks we mentioned. Further, all these materials give you a tight grip on the stick and you can easily defeat your enemy. Well, now you must be interested in knowing what all games you can play on it, isn't it? Here is the list. Favorite of all of us: Tekken, Street Fighter in multiplayer mode, Mortal Kombat. Number 5. Qanba Crystal Fight Stick. This is another Qanba fight stick in our list for you. You can use it for PlayStation 3 and 4 and PC. The good thing about this is, it has got LED light buttons and joystick, so you can easily identify which button to press. You can lit LED buttons using 3 modes, viz. Touch mode, glow mode, and stealth mode. Your fight stick features a lock button that helps you prevent any unfortunate action that you may commit during your match. All these buttons and joystick are designed in such a way that they don't disturb you much with their sound. Also, they are sensitive enough to give you a quick response in minimal time. The sensitive touch mouse pad at the top right of this stick lets you easily access menu options on your gaming station. Just connect it with your gaming platform using its USB cable provided to you along with the purchase. You can store this cable inside the compartment made in your stick for smooth storage. Further, the door of your compartment is also magnetic. This ensures that cable doesn't slide out itself pushing the door. Being an official Sony licensed product, you can be assured of the quality and in-match performance that it provides you, but this makes it expensive also. It further has a carrying handle which you can pop out from the cabinet in case you want to take it to different places. What makes your task further easy is, this handle is magnetic and can slide in or out with just a push of yours. Magnetic door for storing cable. Magnetic pop-out handle.